Okay, so I want you to work with me here as I multiply each one of these out. So we know that anything raised to the 0 power is equal to 1. So a plus b raised to the 0 power is going to be 1. We know that anything raised to the first power is just whatever it is. 2 to the first power is 2, 5 to the first power is 5, x to the first power is x. So a plus b to the first power is simply going to be a plus b. Now here's where we actually get to start multiplying something together. So a plus b raised to the second power means a plus b times a plus b. Some of you are saying, I can't multiply that. There's no numbers. Yes, you can. A times a is a squared. You just do FOIL. A times b is AB. B times A, some people may write BA, but remember, when we have a bunch of letters, we generally write them in alphabetical order. So A times B is AB, and B times A is also going to be AB. That just means that we have to multiply two numbers together. Does it really matter what order you multiply two numbers? No. And then, of course, the last distribution we have is B times B, which is B squared. This will simplify A squared plus, we've got one right here. So that's 2AB plus B squared. So A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Now, if I do A plus B times A plus B times A plus B, well, we've already multiplied these two together and we got this right here. So all I have to do is take this and multiply it times another one, A plus B. So I'm kind of cheating right here. I'm using the results that I got before. I'm multiplying it times A. I'm just doing double distribution. I've got to multiply all of this right here times A. So that's going to be A cubed plus 2A squared B plus AB squared. Now I'm going to have another A squared B. Going to multiply these two together. That's going to give me 2A B squared. And then that's going to give me B cubed. Combine those like terms. I get A cubed plus 3A squared B plus 3AB squared plus B cubed. So that's what I got right here. A cubed plus 3A squared B plus 3AB squared plus B cubed. Oh my goodness. So if I do this one right here, I have to do the same thing again. I have to take this thing right here. I'm going to run out of room. Whoops. A cubed plus 3A squared B plus 3AB squared plus B cubed. And I've got to multiply it times A plus B. Okay. That's going to be A to the fourth plus 3A cubed B plus 3A squared B squared plus AB cubed. Notice all I did was multiply this times this. I got that. A times this. I got that. A times this. I got this. A times this. I got this. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the B. B times this. B times this. B times this. B times this. So A cubed B. That's what I get right here. And then I'm going to have plus 3A squared B squared. And then I'm going to have plus 3A b cubed, and then right here, I'm going to have b to the 4th. So my answer is a to the 4th plus 4 a cubed b plus 6 a squared b squared plus 4 a b cubed plus b to the 4th. So that's a to the 4th plus 4 a cubed b plus 6 a squared b squared plus 4 ab cubed plus b to the 4th. Okay, so that's what I get when I multiply each one of those out. Now, this thing right here is directly related to Pascal's triangle. Okay, if you take this 1 right here, you get 1. Take the coefficient of the A, take the coefficient of the B, take the coefficient of this, you get 1. The coefficient of this, you get 2. The coefficient here, you get 1. 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So, if you've paid attention to also the exponents here, remember this is the 0 row. This is the first row. 0 row, first row, second row, third row, fourth row. So a plus b to the 5th, without actually having to multiply it out, we can get the coefficients from here. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. And there's also a pattern right here to the exponents, okay? The pattern to the exponents. I don't have any exponents here because it's 0. Here, each one of the exponents is going to have a degree of 1. Here, each one of the exponents is going to have a degree of 2. We've got A has 2. Here, A and B each have 1. That's a total of 2. Here, B has 2. A has 3, then A only has 2, then A only has 1, then we don't have any A's. We have 0 B's, now we have 1 B, now we have 2 B's, now we have 3 B's. So the sum of the exponents is always 3, which you are right here. Sum of the exponents is 4. We have 4 A's, 3 A's, 2 A's, 1 A, no A's. We have no B's, 1 B, 2 B, 3 B, 4 B. So if that pattern, here's the coefficients. I'm going to have a coefficient of 1, and it's going to be a to the 5th, because it's always going to match that. Then the next term is going to be 5. I have 1 fewer A, but I now have a B. The next coefficient is going to be 10. I have 1 fewer A, but I have 1 more B. Still, they're adding up to 5. There's 5 right there. 4 and 1 is 5. Oops. 3 and 2 is 5. Plus 5. 1 fewer A, so now it's A squared, and 1 more B. Again, 2 and 3 still makes 5. Plus 1. Wait, did I skip something? Oh, yeah, this should be a 10 right here. Sorry, I skipped the 10. That should be a 5 because it should be 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5. 1 fewer A, B to the 4th, and then plus 1, B to the 5th. Whew. So, see if you can do A plus B to the 6th, just for fun.